The importance of conserving energy. Conserving energy is crucial for the well-being of our planet and the sustainability of our future. Energy conservation refers to the practice of using less energy by making smart choices and implementing efficient technologies. It plays a vital role in addressing environmental issues, reducing greenhouse gas emissions, and ensuring a more sustainable and livable world for generations to come. One of the primary reasons why conserving energy is important is its impact on the environment. The majority of our energy needs are met by burning fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas. These processes release harmful greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, contributing to climate change and global warming. By conserving energy, we reduce the demand for fossil fuels, thereby decreasing the amount of greenhouse gases released into the atmosphere. This helps mitigate climate change, preserve ecosystems, and protect biodiversity. Conserving energy also has economic benefits. Energy consumption is often associated with high costs, both on an individual and societal level. By using energy more efficiently, we can reduce our utility bills and save money in the long run. Additionally, investing in energy-efficient technologies and practices stimulates economic growth and job creation. It encourages the development and adoption of renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, which provide sustainable and long-term solutions for our energy needs. Moreover, conserving energy has a positive impact on public health. The extraction, production, and consumption of energy often result in air and water pollution, which can have detrimental effects on human health. By reducing energy consumption, we decrease the need for polluting energy sources, leading to improved air quality and a reduction in respiratory diseases. Furthermore, energy conservation reduces the demand for energy-intensive industries, which can contribute to a cleaner and healthier environment for all. Conserving energy also helps ensure energy security. The availability and access to energy resources are vital for the functioning of our modern society. However, many countries rely heavily on imported energy sources, which can lead to geopolitical tensions and economic instability. By reducing our dependence on foreign energy sources through energy conservation, we enhance our energy security and reduce the vulnerability to price fluctuations and supply disruptions. In addition to the environmental, economic, and health benefits, conserving energy fosters a culture of mindfulness and responsibility. It encourages individuals, communities, and organizations to be conscious of their energy consumption and make informed choices. From simple actions like turning off lights and appliances when not in use to investing in energy-efficient technologies, each effort contributes to a collective impact. Energy conservation also raises awareness about the finite nature of our resources and the need to prioritize sustainability in all aspects of our lives. Furthermore, conserving energy supports the transition to a cleaner and more sustainable energy future. As we face the challenges of depleting fossil fuel reserves and increasing energy demands, it is imperative to shift towards renewable and sustainable energy sources. Energy conservation plays a crucial role in this transition by reducing the overall demand for energy and creating a more favorable environment for the development and adoption of renewable energy technologies. In conclusion, conserving energy is of paramount importance for the well-being of our planet and the sustainability of our future. It contributes to mitigating climate change, protecting the environment, and preserving natural resources. Additionally, energy conservation offers economic benefits, improves public health, enhances energy security, and fosters a culture of mindfulness and responsibility. By making conscious choices and implementing energy-efficient practices, we can all contribute to a more sustainable and livable world for ourselves and future generations.